Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, I'll try to teach you how to calculate descriptive statistics and how you can explore your data. So, the objective of this lecture is to learn the basic data exploration technique using the SPSS software. Here, the interface of the SPSS. So, first of all, we need to import data. File, open, data. So I kept my data here. Here you will find the obesity data set. It's an Excel file. Just select and click open. Click OK. Here we imported a data set of obesity. So first of all, we will calculate the frequency distribution. Just for recall, for what types of variable we can calculate the frequency distribution? Categorical data. So what are the categorical data in here? Gender is a categorical data. Yes, no is a categorical data. Here FAVC is a categorical data. SCC, right? So it's all are the categorical data. So to calculate it, just go to the analysis, descriptive statistics and frequency. So just gender, family history with obesity, then smoke. Okay, say for example, this one. Selecting this variable, just click here and put all the variables in the variable box. So you can click in statistics. Here you will find some options. There are lots of options are in here. What do we want? So we want to investigate the central tendency, mean, median, mode. Okay, that's it, mean, median, mode. There, go to the and continue and just click OK. So you will find the frequency distribution or frequency table is in here, right? So you can see here we have 2111 valid data. There is no missing value. And after that, you can see the frequency and the percentage. This is the valid percentage and it is the cumulative percentage. So it's very simple and easy, right? On the other hand, we would like to investigate some descriptive statistics, say for example, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, where the variables are numeric. Here we will find, or here we can see age, height, weight, it's all are numeric variable. So go to the analysis, descriptive statistics. So click here, descriptive. So age, height, weight, right? So put all these variable in the variable box. We can go to the option. Here we can see mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, standard error mean, range, variance, summation, skewness, and kurtosis. Okay, everything. Just click continue and OK. So we can see the statistics or descriptive statistics. So for the variable age, height, weight, we can calculate all the statistics: range, minimum, maximum, sum, minimum statistics, mean statistics, mean standard error, standard deviation, variance, skewness, and kurtosis, right? So it's very simple how to calculate the descriptive statistics for numeric variable. So in the last stage, we will calculate or we will explore the data, say for example, normality or box plot, right? How we can do it? In that case, go to analysis, descriptive statistics and explore. Here we need to put all the dependent variable in the dependent list. Once again, dependent variable in the dependent list. Say for example, weight depends on height or age. In that case, weight is dependent variable and we put the dependent variable in here, click statistics, and we can calculate some descriptive statistics like continue, right? And okay. Here you will find all the statistics, I mean descriptive statistics are in here, right? So it's another way to calculate the descriptive statistics. Okay. And if you go to the bottom of the result, we can find this box plot. Okay.